Namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking on behalf of Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also please join as early as possible. First, our company is established in 1983, so we have around 38 years of huge experience in this jewelry industry, and we believe customer is our God, and our company motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. So our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable pricing. Today I bring you in front of you a beautiful chokers. Just yesterday night only came, very beautiful ones. So first to see the overview of the products, then we will clearly explain each and every product. So this is a beautiful choker with green stones and natural freshwater pearls. So one more is mogonite stones and emerald, Russian emeralds, very beautiful choker. So this is with green beads, onyx beads and milky white pearls, in between silver flowers, CJ's flowers, and this is broad pendant type, necklace type choker. Here we are provided milky white pearls, and this is one more beautiful choker with big size pearls and green stones with CJ combination, broad pendant, and this is again with baby pink stones and Russian emerald color green stones with milky white pearls and CJ's. This is again long necklace. This is with very good pendant, lightweight pendant with green and green stones and white pearls. So before explaining each and every product, first we need to see our brand name and our brand address. So our brand name is Krishna Pulse. We are from Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills Road number 36. This is just 100 meters away from the metro station on the way to Peddamma Temple. If you come from the high-tech city, just opposite to the Beyond Coffee Shop. So we have a video call facility also, and you can ask the different types of products to see. And our WhatsApp number is 92480-36721. Once again I am repeating, 92480-36721. If you have any queries or questions, if you want to see any related jewelry products, just say hi to this number. And we have the international shipping facility also available there, and that too free, all over world free, almost major countries, but some countries they charge the custom charges around 5 to 6%. If you give your name, give your the address, then we will tell the conditions. And all over India we have free shipping. We are not charged a single rupee also. Total free shipping up to courier to your house. That is our responsibility. And if it is a local, our person personally comes and show the products. After that only you have a chance to give the amount. So our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating, www.krishnapulse.com. In this you will get the plenty of collections of pearl jewelry with combination of gold and silver. If you want to directly purchase, you can directly purchase from our address. So we will see each and every product clearly. So this is, see once closely, very beautiful choker, very lightweight, studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark. See, this is green stones with dark green and CJ's. See the CJ's, it looks like polkis only. And here we are provided some emerald beads, small uncut emerald beads, and we are provided the milky white pearls, small size and big size milky white pearls. And back side we are provided the dory, so it is very easy to adjust according to your neck length. You can see closely, very beautiful piece, very lightweight in reasonable price. This is designed by our designers and made in our workshop only. We have very experienced skilled labor is there. I will show the back side also. See clearly it is visible in the back side is also. So we will see once closely. See, dory also we are provided very beautiful dory. We are not given any small one, very beautiful designer dory we are given. See here, you will get the matching earrings also if you want. See, from the starting onwards the design is there. One with the emerald bead broad design is there, flower type, and again small flower. So we will see the weights and prices of this. Okay. This is gross weight is just 33.5 grams, including CJets, emerald beads and pearls, gold, total 33.5 grams only. So very less weight this one, and net gold is just 11 grams only. In this only 11 grams. In the 11 grams you are getting a beautiful choker, and this price is very reasonable, just 90,000. Approximate price is 90,000, and this is also not the final price. If you want to take the snapshot and send to our WhatsApp number, then we will give very best deal. Beautiful piece in 11 grams net gold and 33 grams gross weight and just 90,000. And that also we will give very best price. One second. So the next one is with the morganite stones and green Russian emeralds with a good CJ combination pendant. Very beautiful pendant. Maximum customers are asking the pendant. So lightweight pendant. See, this is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. Here is total nylon silk thread, and the pendant part only gold is there. Beautiful. If I tell only, you will know this is CJets. Otherwise, you think these are polkis or uncuts. Beautiful design, broad design with very less weight. This is also called as ultra white product, this one. So you can see the pendant once again closely. Here we provided small flower type, and here we are provided the diamond. In the middle we are given very big stone, big CJ. Here for drops, uncut emerald beads, Russian emerald beads we are given, and here small gucha type pulse we are provided, milky white pulse. And here is the beauty, baby pink and green stones. Now the baby pink stones are going trend. So we will see the weights and prices of this. This is gross weight is 55 grams, approximate gross weight is 55 grams including CJets, green and pink stones and gold. And in this gold is 11 grams only. The previous one also 11 grams, this is also 11 grams only net gold. Price is 1,30,000, approximate price is 1,30,000 because this morganite and Russian emerald stones is there, so that's why price is here. Gold is 11 grams only. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach us immediately, because only one pieces are available. So
diamonds will resell.
And one more thing I am telling, on gold every shop will give the 100% rate gold and diamonds, but we are giving on the stones and pulse part also we are giving 80% exchange facility. When you want to exchange the product after 2 years or 5 years, we will give the 80% of the value for the stones and pearls also. So this is a good benefit, please use it. If you have any old jewelry from our store, if you want to change with the new designs, new patterns, then you will get the 80% value, just 20% only we will cut. On gold we will give 100%, gold and diamond we will give the 100%. This is our company policy, written on the back side of bill also. Not I am telling orally, this is written one. So one more beautiful is, previously also this type of designs came, but maximum people are asking, we want no pendant, only choker type, just one putty type they want. So we are made once again this one with green stones, because these greens are called as the Nizami style, because Hyderabad is famous for green stones and pearls. That's why maximum first we will make in the greens only, then we will again make with blue and black and red. So see the small flowers we are provided here, gold ones, purely 22 carats gold with hallmark is there, On that CJets we are provided. Here is milky white, good size of milky white pulse are there. We are provided the caps also. On the caps also we are given the Nakshi design, and back side we are provided the dory. And today what I am showing all are for the ladies only, girls and ladies only, not for gents. So beautiful choker. This is you can wear for small functions or night dinner parties, small traveling occasions also. Very beautiful. Gold is very less, but looks like grand piece, grand choker. Backside we are provided the dory, so it is useful according to your neck length or according to the dress combination. See once again closely. Beautiful prints, cut green stones. These are cut jade stones. In this grass weight is around 60 grams is the grass weight, including CJets, green beads and pearls and gold. And gold is just 6 grams, approximately 6 grams only gold. See how less gold is there. Here we are provided the caps gold, here flowers only gold. Only 6 grams is the gold. Very reasonable one. This is just 1,10,000 only. Approximate price 1,10,000. So please hurry up if anybody likes, because only one pieces are available. If you place the order also, it takes 15 to 20 days, and same color stones and same color pearls, it is difficult to get again. So if you like the same shades of the colors and pearls, then immediately approach us. We will give the very best deal. And all the products after best price we add 3% GST. That is compulsory for government, that is not for us. And jewelry 3% is the GST. Here also you will get the resale value on the stones, on this green stones and CJets and pearls. You will get 80% value whenever if you want to exchange and take the other new product. And gold, on the 6 grams is the net gold, on that you will get the 100% value at that time, at that day. After 2 years if you want to exchange, at that day what is the gold rate, that value you will get.
Priyanka Reddy price.
Namaste Priyanka Reddy garandi. Thank you for watching our online streaming, madam. The price, madam, 1,10,000 and this price is 1,10,000. Around 60 grams is the gross weight, and net gold is just 6 grams, ma'am, approximate 6 grams only there. So less gold is there, so we have chance to give more better price to do. On the 1,10,000, only around 31,000 is the gold, rest of is the stones, pearls and CJets. So we have more chance to give very best deal. So please take the snapshot and approach us, ma'am, immediately. So one more beautiful choker. Some of the customers asked the broad necklace type choker. So we are provided once again some length. You can wear this as a necklace and choker also. That's why we are provided here. Here pot is with nylon silk thread.
For that you have earrings.
This one. Yeah, Priyanka Reddy madam, we have earrings also, ma'am. For this exact matching you will get. Please ask our WhatsApp number, ma'am. Our team is ready to tell the answers. They will show the related earrings. If you want studs also, they will show, or hangings also, they will show. See, beautiful choker, broad necklace, around 7 pendants type it is, and drop size milky white pearls we are provided with CJets. This is also designed by our designers and made in our work unit. Very skilled labor we have. If you want to customize also, we will do. If you have any own design, if you want to show any photo also, we will make according to your design. It takes 15 to 20 days. First our designer will draw the picture of the design. Then if you okay, then we will do the estimation and make the product. In this also, if you want any small changes, small customize, we will do. If you want to 5 rows, or if you want to instead of green stones, if you want to place the red stones, we will do. In this nylon silk thread pot, if you want any changes, our workers are in front of you only, they will do. They are called as patwas. Very skilled labor is there. See how beauty, how glitters are there. Here it is looking very beautiful. I don't know how it is looking in the video, but see the glitters of the CJets. Entirely new piece, that's why that freshness is coming, very totally glittering and shining of the gold, entirely new piece, that's why. So if anybody wants to buy or planning, because Diwali is also very near, maximum people want to buy on the Dhanteras and Diwali occasions. So please please approach us immediately, because one very good piece. I hope it is sold out immediately. It will sold out immediately. If anybody wants, please approach us immediately. This is gross weight is 51 grams, approximate is 51 grams, and net weight is 14 grams. Approximate gold is here only 14 grams is the gold. So this price is around 1,33,000. 1,33,000, very reasonable. You can use this as necklace and choker also. Beautiful piece in 1,32,000. And we will give the very, very best deal also. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. You will get the matching earrings also. If you want studs, you will get hangings. Also, if you want hangings, you will get. On the stones and pulse pot and CJets also, we will give 80% value. On gold pot, we will give 100%. So that is very good benefit for customers. See once. So one more beautiful broad choker. In this stone pot is more morganite stone baby pink and Russian emerald color green beads, and here are milky white pearls, natural freshwater pearls and CJets. These are not polkas, CJets. Very lightweight. This is complete choker. No other nylon silk thread we are used. Starting onwards up to ending is complete with studded in gold. Purely studded in gold. 22 carats hallmark is there. This is also designed by our designers and made in work unit. And this gross weight is around 87 grams. 87 grams is the gross weight, and net weight is 18 grams. And net weight is 18 grams only. See, it is looking like more weight is there because 87 grams is there, but the net weight is just 18 grams because maximum weight is in stones. Beautiful. See, if the stone lovers, they definitely want to buy this one. If anybody wants the stones, they prefer stones, jewelry, then it is the very beautiful piece for them. So approach us immediately, take the snapshot. Our team is ready to tell the answers and show related designs also. And this price is around 2,13,000. 2,13,000 is the price because stone value is more in this compared to gold. Very, very big stones, very difficult to get that size of morganite and Russian emerald stones. See the flowers, how beautiful is there. Total new pieces, that's why that shining is like that only. We have provided the caps also for the stones. Total natural stones, you can see the inclusions also. For fake ones, the inclusions are not present, but the real ones, it will present the inclusions. So if anybody likes, take the snapshot and approach us. So one more beautiful necklace. See here, long necklace type, it is just like a harem. It is looking like very broad pendant with green stones and CJets. Middle is big green stone, uncut stone. Here is very beautiful with CJet combination caps we are provided on the milky white pearls. Here small round milky white pearls and green stones, cut green stones. Back side we are provided the dory, so it is useful for both ladies and gents also. Both can wear this one. And it is also studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark. See, in this pendant is the highlight. In the chain part, if you want any changes or if you want to any customize, we will do in front of you only. Within half an hour, 1 hour, we will do the any changes. If you want 5 rows or 1 row only. See the glitters of the CJets and the total milky white pearls. Today what I am showing all are in milky white, no champagne color or golden color. Beautiful piece. In this pendant is very, very beautiful one. You can see from the starting onwards, we are using the 4 rows. Very beautiful lustered pearls, very finest quality green stones. Exchange will be lifelong only, but one time only. Exchange must be one time.
Glitters. shining, lifelong.
Lifelong. These are natural stones and natural pearls only. So it will shine lifelong. Only for pearls, danger is the perfumes and any acids. Those are the very dangerous to pearls. So don't directly spray the perfumes on the pearls. Perfumes are the danger for all types of jewelry also, gold, diamond, stones, pearls, are for all. Perfume is the very dangerous one. So first use the perfume on the body. After 1 minute you can wear the strings and stones. You will see the weights and prices of these. This is around 67 grams is the gross weight, including pearls, stones, seajets and gold. Net weight is around 10.5 grams. Only 10.5 grams is the net gold, because on the pendant part only gold is there. And this price is around 1,11,000. 1,11,000. Very, very finest piece in 1,11,000. Maybe if you are given very best deal, it will sets up to 1 lakh also. Very beautiful piece. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach us immediately. Only one piece is there. We are made first sampling, our designers and work unit. If we get the good response, we will make in red color and blue color also. First, generally we will make on greens only, because this is called as Nizam style. Because Nizams likes emerald and pearls. So from that onwards, this tradition is taking place.
Anusha madam is asking once show that.
నమస్తే అనుష మేడం, థ్యాంక్స్ అండి మా ఆన్లైన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూస్తున్నందుకు మేడం. ఒకసారి చూడండి మేడం, చూపిస్తాను. ఇది చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండి, విడిగా ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంది అది మేడం. ఈ బేబీ కలరు కెమెరాలో అంతగా సరిగ్గా రాదనమాట. రష్యన్ ఎమరాల్డ్ బేబీ కలర్ అనమాట. చాలా బాగుంటుందండి. ఇంత పెద్ద సైజు స్టోన్ దొరకడం చాలా కష్టం అండి. మీరు ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చినా మేడం, ఇది సోల్డ్ అవుట్ అయిపోయి ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చినా ఇంత సైజు స్టోన్ దొరకడం కష్టం అండి. ఎప్పుడో రఫ్లీ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్నది కాబట్టి చేశారనమాట. 1 second. చూడండి మేడం, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఎవరు ముందు అప్రోచ్ అయితే వాళ్ళకి వెళ్తుందండి. ఇది మంచి బెస్ట్ ప్రైస్ కూడా ఇస్తామన్నమాట. చాలా అండి, గ్లిట్టర్స్ కానీ గోల్డ్ అయితే ఇవాళ చూపించిన అన్ని మంచి గోల్డ్ కలర్ బాగా ఉన్నదండి. అది క్లియర్గా, ఎందుకంటే అన్ని లేటెస్ట్ పీసులు కదండి, అందుకని దాని షైనింగ్ తెలుస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడే వర్క్ యూనిట్ నుంచి వచ్చినాయి అనమాట. అంత గ్లిట్టర్ మనం ఒక 10 days 15 days అయితే కనుక కొద్దిగా డల్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. అది ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లోజ్ అవుతుంది కదా మొత్తము అట్మాస్ఫియర్కి, అట్లా అనమాట. చాలా న్యూగా ఉందండి, చాలా బాగున్నది.
Swati madam is asking, do you ship to Australia?
నమస్తే స్వాతి మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఆన్లైన్ స్ట్రీమింగ్ మ్యామ్. We will ship ma'am to Australia. Regularly we will send the couriers ma'am to Australia. So but I think some custom charges are there ma'am, around 5.3%. So please WhatsApp your number ma'am to our number.
Share your number in Facebook.
Or share your number in the Facebook also ma'am. Then our team will approach you only ma'am, and they will give the total details. I think around 5 to 6% is the custom charges, and rest of all we will do free courier. There is some conditions are there ma'am. Please approach our team. We will do the Australia. Daily we are sending 2 to 3 couriers to Australia. Okay. So one more beautiful choker with totally big size pearls and green stones. Here pendant is there and some other pendant is there here, drop size. This is traditional, our old traditional design. Generally in some communities they wear this type of pendants. Regularly some group of community people ask this type of design, so we made this one. Very beautiful piece. See how beautiful is there. This is completely traditional one with milky white pearls. This part is all with nylon silk thread. On the 2 pendants only gold is there. This is also studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark we are provided. This is our company designs. Our designers made this one. After approval they will made in the manufacturing unit in very lightweight, because now the ultra lightweight jewelry is going trend. So we are providing in the lightweight only. If anybody, some people are asking, we want heavy jewelry also, heavy weight also. We have heavy weight ones also there, but because now trend is going for lightweight, that's why I am showing the lightweight ones. 1 second. See, from the starting onwards, good size. Around 5 rows is the string started from. pearls and green stones, cut green stones and milky white pearls, almost round pearls, good luster is there. And here end one broad pendant with green onyx stone, dark green color, Indian green. CJ's design is there. See the good design. This is very difficult work designed by our designers. And here see the design, clearly see the design. How beautiful is there, middle one stone and then very beautiful design. It is very difficult to explain. You can see yourself, very beautiful design is there. If you closely look, very broad design and awesome piece. This is a wonderful piece. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach us. We will give the pearls, stones and CJ spot 80% value when you want to exchange after some years. And gold we will give the 100%. Back side also I will show once. See, total clear label is visible in the back side is also. This is wonderful piece only, very pretty piece. Very traditional design. This is completely functional wear, not daily wear, functional wear this one. In the lightweight, very good design. I gold వాళ్ళు చెప్తా. So see once.
Soumya madam is asking price.
This one?
Yes.
Namaste Soumya Garandi, thank you for watching our online streaming. This grass weight is 88.5 grams ma'am, 88.5 grams including pearls, gold, stones and CJs, and net weight is around 15 grams ma'am. 15 grams is the gold and the two pendants is only here is gold part. 15 grams is the gold approximate, and price is 1,88,000. Approximate price is 1,88,000. But very good piece ma'am. So if you like, please approach us. We will give the very best deal. So I showed today 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7 pieces today I show. Very beautiful pieces. So hoping you like today's episode. Once again I will tell my address. Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just near to Jubilee Hills Metro Station. And we have video call facility also. The timing is morning 7 o'clock onwards up to 3. And shop timings, if you want to visit personally to our store, our shop timings are morning 10:30 to 8:30. And our WhatsApp number is 92480-36721. 92480-36721. Our team is ready to give the answers to your queries. So please ask any questions related to today's episode. And we have international shipping is there, and all over India courier facility is there, and local also facility is there. And our website address is www.krishnapearls.com. And all of you know that we have around 5 branches, and our first branch is in near Old City, Pathargatti. You will get the plenty of pearl, loose pearls also there you will get. And one of the exclusive store is in Hotel Taj Krishna, very premium quality store. If you have any time, please visit our store once. You will get the royal treatment there. And 2 more stores are available in Hotel Novotel and beside Hyderabad International Convention Center. We will get the fast moving products there. And one more beautiful and exclusive store is in road number 36, Jubilee Hills. Here 2 floors are there. In the ground floor you will get the all marriage occasions jewelry, diamonds, polkis, stones collections and plain gold items. And in the second floor you will get the plenty of all varieties of pearl collections. You will get the all designs in gold and silver combination. You will get the Basra pearls, South Sea pearls, Tahiti pearls, Mikimoto pearls, Akai pearls, freshwater pearls, culture pearls. Every type of pearls you will get here with the combination of gold and silver. So from last year onwards we have started the silver also. You will get the from small item to big item also. Very pure silver we will use. So hoping you like today's episode. Please share this to your friends and colleagues also. That may be useful for them also. And share your comments also. If you want to, whatever type of jewelry if you want to see in the future, we will show them also. So signing out, Suman, bye bye, Dhanyavad.